Strawberries will grow faster, bigger, and sweeter with this simple mix. In today's video, I will show you how to make a powerful organic fertilizer using only 3 common ingredients most people already have at home. This mix not only boosts growth and flowering, but also protects plants from fungal diseases and pests. When planting strawberries in spring, choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Plant them so the crown stays above the soil and leave enough space between each plant for good air circulation. Adding mulch helps retain moisture and keeps weeds down. To make the mix, start with 300 milliliters of lukewarm water and add 100 milliliters of fresh milk. Milk is rich in calcium and proteins that strengthen the plant and promote healthy growth. It also acts as a natural defense against fungal infections. Next, add half a tablespoon of used coffee grounds. Coffee slightly acidifies the soil, which strawberries love. It contains nutrients like nitrogen, improves soil texture, and even helps repel certain pests. Finally, add half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic contains natural compounds that fight fungal diseases like mildew and mold, while also keeping pests like slugs and aphids away. Let the mixture sit for 24 hours. Strain it if spraying on leaves. Dilute with 2 or more liters of water, depending on how much you made. Water your strawberries twice a month. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.